We are going to see now some common implementation mistakes. There are two main common implementation mistakes. The first one is when the GA code is implemented twice on some pages. And the second one is when the tracking code is missing completely from some pages. Okay, now let's see what happens when the tracking code is implemented twice. When it's implemented twice, what will happen is, first of all, the bounce rate will be very, very low. I will go back to the analytics of our client GG and show you just that. So in the audience and overview, we will see the bounce rate is very low, it's 3%. Whenever the bounce rate is lower than 10%, it is indicating that there is some issue, because a healthy bounce rate is around 50 or even to 80%. A low bounce rate indicates that the page view is being sent twice, and that is why each visit is reported twice. So that is why Google Analytics gets that, well, there is no people entering the site and leaving, because they are staying there. We also can check this out by the Google Tag Assistant we saw before. So here, this yellow tag indicates just that. We can see here that it says that the same property is tracked twice. So we know that we have something to check there. Why is this happening? It may happen that you are installing the Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager, but there was previously a Google Analytics installed in that site via a standard implementation or even hard-coded on the site. So there cannot be two Google Analytics coexisting on the same site. To avoid this, just use Google Tag Manager across your whole site and install Google Analytics by Google Tag Manager. No standard implementation by installing Google Analytics via Google Tag Manager. This will allow us also further improvements on the tag and on the reporting.